So Liam's just cutting up some of these little studs that we're gonna throw in the pocket bike. We've got the back tire studded.
Some good old studs, not these cheap Chinesiums.
Yeah, these are some big old carbide suckers. But we're gonna do the front tire with these little ones, and then add some little ones to the side of the back tire. So let's take you through a time lapse. It's gonna look pretty badass. We got the seat wrapped in a nice, beautiful leopard print. We got a nice cobby to throw on to go with the babby. And yeah, so basically we're gonna throw this thing together and hopefully it runs. We've also done a little refresh to the motor. Whatever, looks new, but it's still an old piece of garbage. You know, you can polish a turd, but it's still a turd. Still a turd, exactly. Let's get to it. The idle's a little high.
A little bit, but running good.
Let it warm up. Let it warm up. Burning a little bit of oil.
A little too much oil.
So this is what our night is looking like. We're about to do this. It's minus 20. It's really cold. I'm really cold. I got my goggles on. Safety first.
Easy, buddy.
I will say, this is a little sketchy.
Very.
Here we go,